Hello, Numan. How are you today?
To be honest, I'm really happy today.
Why, man?
Actually, this is secret topic. I can't
Can you
share
share?
with you. No, no. Yes, you are my best friend. By the way, I can't share with you.
Can you tell me what is the reason of behind your happiness?
Already I told you I can't share with you. I will share with
Um,
you another day when I'll call you on the WhatsApp or Messenger.
I see.
Yes.
Do you have work today?
Yes, I have work today. Yesterday
When
was
will you
my
work?
off day.
When will you go to work?
I'll go to work evening time, 5 o'clock.
Oh, I see. I know you are a very busy person, so every day you have to do the work.
Yes, I'm really busy person
Uh, so today I'm looking. You are so amazing. What is the reason? You
because
are looking.
I'm so happy. That's why
You are
my
looking so
mind
happy.
is my mind is really good.
I see.
Yes,
It will be good news for us.
yes, I think so. No,
How
not good news for you and for my fans. It's only good news for me. To be honest.
good man. I'm so happy because you are
Thank you,
today.
thank you, thank you, my dear friend. Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, I know. So did you finish your lunch?
No, no. Few minutes ago, I have finished my breakfast.
Good job. So
Okay,
you can
now
explain.
I'd like to ask you some question. How about you?
Yeah, today I'm so happy because you told me you were so happy. So after
Yeah,
hearing your news,
I can see that you are really happy. What is the reason for me or another reason?
no man, because of you, I'm so happy.
No, no. I think do you have any good news? I think so.
Surely not, man. You are joking
Really?
with me. No, no,
No,
no,
no,
you
no, no. I'm not joking with you
are joking with me.
because every time I follow that, your face is like angry. You are not smiling face. But today I can see that you are always try to smile. Why?
Don't you don't you know I'm a kind person and I love to help people when I want
No, you
people.
are not. To be honest, you are not kind person. I know you are arrogant person.
I'm not sure.
If
I
you,
think I'm.
I think you can mind, but to be honest, you are not kind person.
How did you realize?
Actually, I don't know. I don't know, but I think you are not kind person. That's it.
You are making me laugh, man. You are making me laugh. Yeah,
Uh, I don't know. This is easy answer. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This is easy answer
yeah.
for everyone.
How is going on your job?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, everything is going well. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Are you satisfied for your job?
Yes, I am 100% satisfied for my
Uh,
job, and as well as my all colleagues are they are really kind person. They are friendly. As well as my governor also, they are also friendly. They are kind person. Governor means our owner. Do you
can I
know
ask you?
what is the meaning of governor? Do you know?
I don't know. Maybe owner also.
Yes, actually, we use it for Bengali restaurant in the UK. Oh, we are all Bengali people. They use governor.
Oh, I see. That's good. So
Yes.
can I ask a personal question?
Yes, you can ask. No problem.
I
You can.
know. I know you. I shouldn't ask you this question. It's very personal. How much money will you earn per month according to Bangladeshi money?
Actually, I didn't count.
Why, man?
I don't know why. I don't want share with public place.
I know you are very rich person and you
No,
are
no, no,
doing.
no. I'm not rich person, man. I'm not rich person. But Alhamdulillah, I'm okay.
Oh, I know. I know. You are doing two jobs, maybe.
No, right now I'm doing just one job. Sometimes I do part-time job. Yes.
Oh, I see.
But I'm looking for another job, inshallah. I'll do two job because I need lots of money, to be honest. They actually, as I'm a student, I have right to work 20 hours. When I will go any shop for getting job, first of all they ask me, do you have full-time right to work? I tell them no, I have just only 20 hours as I'm a student. But most of the beauty shop owner or most of the company, they ignore me and ignore all of his students. They want to ignore all of his students because they don't want to get those type of job because we can work. I can work only 20 hours.
Those who are interested to going UK, they can work.
They can work only 20 hours. Only 20 hours.
Any student can work 20 hours.
Yes,
Oh,
20 hours. In his he can work 20 hours as well as he can work full time his term time. I mean holiday times.
yeah.
Yes, and maybe from next month I can work full time because my course almost finished. I'm waiting for my result. After getting result, I can work full time, inshallah.
Best of luck, dear. Inshallah, you will achieve your desire and of your
Oh,
inshallah.
yes. Thank you. Pray for me.
Yeah. After finishing your graduation, what will you do?
After completing my graduation, I'll try to get PSW. I mean, post study work. You know, already I spend lots of money.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
Okay, my dear friend. Actually, I don't have enough time. I have to go outside. I have some work. I'll talk to you later, inshallah.
Okay, dear. Hang up the phone. Best of luck for you. And we will talk another day.
Okay. Bye. Allah Hafiz.